When you've been charged with driving while under suspension in Ontario, the very first thing that you need to do, you got to get your license back and valid. Here are the steps you need to take. First, you should confirm whether your license was in fact suspended. In some rare cases, the police, they actually may mistakenly charge you with driving while under suspension when the reality is your license may not have been suspended. You can check whether that mistake happened by going to an Ontario government website that has a free tool that you can check whether your license was in fact suspended. If you find that your license was not suspended, then print out the results and bring that to your court date because you may get your charge withdrawn. I've included a link to the Ontario government website in the description to this video. And you should check out a video that I did about this website. And it's an important video because there really is an important step that the website does not mention that can save you from huge legal trouble in the future. Check out that video. Again, there's a link in the description. Find out why your license is suspended. So you should contact the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario to find out why your license is suspended. This is important because the steps that you need to take to fix the problem, those steps are going to be different depending upon why your license is suspended. 3, if you're suspended due to unpaid fines, then do this. So when you have unpaid fines, you need to pay those fines to get your license back. To do that, you need to get a list of all your outstanding fines. That information will include the fine amounts and to which court the fines are owed. You need to contact each court to make arrangements on how to pay those fines. The good news is this: you can actually enter into a payment plan for those fines. And if you are able to get and enter into a payment plan, you can then get your license back even before your fines are paid in full. 4, if you're suspended because of medical reasons, then do this. Contact your family doctor or the doctor that resulted in your license getting suspended. Ask them, what do you need to do that will allow the doctor to reverse your suspension? They will give you the steps that you need to take. 5, if your license is suspended because of other reasons, then do this. Find out from the Ministry of Transportation what steps you need to take to get your license back. For example, you may be suspended for a specific period of time. If that's the case, then go to any Service Ontario location after the time period is over and you should be able to get your license back. The MTO will tell you what steps you need to take to get your license back in any situation. And again, it really depends upon why your license was suspended in the first place. And make sure you follow the MTO's direction. And finally, do not drive until you get your license back. The penalties for driving while under suspension are severe, and multiple convictions of this charge can land you in, and you can end up in jail. Reach out if you've been charged with driving while under suspension. Let's develop a strategy that will save you from the mandatory 6-month driving suspension that you're facing. Let's have a free and confidential phone call.